Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage product announcement and feedback notification on your Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage product announcement and feedback notification on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage product announcement and feedback on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you'll see your Instagram profile. Tap on it. And then in here at the upper right corner of your screen, you'll see the three horizontal lines. Tap on it and then from here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, you'll see how you use Instagram. Below that, the notifications. Tap on these notifications. And then in here, you'll see here the option from Instagram. Tap on this from Instagram and you'll see here product and announcement and feedback. In here to manage product announcement and feedback, simply tap on this button beside the off button to turn it off. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage product announcement and feedback notifications, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage product announcement and feedback on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.